Every technology leader hears the same set of questions on repeat. Should we adopt AI? Should we move everything to the cloud? Should we modernize our platforms or break everything into microservices? After more than 2 decades leading enterprise technology, I've come to believe we're starting from the wrong place entirely. This is Executive Insights Episode 2. The instinctive first question in almost every boardroom is which technology should we implement? I think that's backwards. Before any technology conversation even starts, there's a more fundamental question that needs answering. What business outcome are we actually trying to achieve? Technology is an enabler. It should never become the objective in itself. Yet, in most organizations I've worked with, that's exactly what quietly happens. I call this the technology trap, and I've watched it play out again and again. Organizations pour enormous time and money into cloud computing, big data, blockchain, and now artificial intelligence, often simply because it's the technology everyone happens to be talking about that year. Sometimes it creates real, lasting value. Just as often, it adds nothing but complexity because it was never actually tied to a business priority. Technology without strategy quietly becomes expensive experimentation. Successful organizations flip that order entirely. They start by defining a measurable business goal first: a better customer experience, lower operating costs, faster product delivery, stronger security and compliance, or smarter decisions powered by data. Once that goal is genuinely clear and agreed, choosing the right technology stops being a guessing game. It becomes a far simpler, far more confident decision. That one shift changes the entire conversation happening inside your organization. Instead of asking, should we use AI? The real question becomes, can AI help us achieve this specific outcome more effectively than what we're doing right now? It sounds like a small change in wording. In practice, it quietly changes every single decision that follows from it. This to me is really the core job of a technology leader. It's connecting business strategy to technical execution every single day. It's balancing innovation with practicality instead of chasing whatever is newest. It's making sure every investment delivers measurable value, not just technical novelty on a slide. And here's what most people miss entirely: the best technology initiatives are rarely the most complex ones. They're simply the ones that solve a real, specific business problem. Artificial intelligence, automation, cloud platforms, advanced analytics, they're only going to keep reshaping every industry and faster than they have before. But being first to adopt a new technology has never been what creates lasting advantage. Staying relentlessly aligned to business strategy is. Technology is going to keep evolving quickly, whether we're ready or not. Business purpose has to remain the constant. Technology should always serve the business, never the other way around. I go much deeper into this framework with real examples from my own work in the full article, link in the description below. If this was useful, hit like, subscribe for the next episode, and share it with the leader who needs to hear it. The most valuable technology was never the newest one on the market. It's the technology that actually helps an organization achieve its strategic objectives. When technology follows strategy, innovation becomes sustainable year after year. When strategy follows technology instead, organizations lose focus, often without even realizing it's happening until much later.